So if you wonder how the Viking looks right now, this is how a 3D printer workshop should look like when you are servicing and restructuring the cable management. Yeah, so that's what we do. So I'm adding a duet, and as you can see, there's a Geckotek build plate coming with flexible steel. So more on that in a few seconds, so keep watching. All right, so here we are. Nice, very nice. So we have a flexible sheet, spring steel sheet with Geckotek surface, print surface, which by the reviews should be the best. So I'm really excited to try this on, and you can see this is also made by them. You can see the magnets. So lots of magnets. Awesome. So I just need to make some corners so I can drop it in. Easy. Like this. And then I can just grab it. There. So excited to try that on the Viking. Geckotek. Thank you, Geckotek. Awesome.